Welcome back, my dear children. Hope you had enough time to relax. And I really want to appreciate you all for the wonderful efforts you have put in the previous chapter. Now brace yourself for the next new lesson, addition and subtraction.
Topics covered: addition of 5 and 6 digit number. Before going inside today's topic, it's time for a small story.
Once there lived a shoemaker who was an expert in making shoes and poor in math. People used to trick him by taking advantage of his situation. So he became poorer than before. At last, he had some leather left for making only 3 shoes, so he really worked hard throughout the night to make those shoes and determine the prices for them. Now, children, it's your turn to sum them up and tell the price for the shoemaker. Can we? Great, children. The sum of the prices is 2000. Here 2000 is the sum and the remaining 3 numbers are called as add-ins. The shopkeeper said that he was very pleased with your work, children. He was very grateful to you. Now let's move on to our first topic, addition of 5 and 6 digit numbers without and with regrouping.
Actually, there are many ways to solve an addition problem. But here, we are going to learn 2 methods of adding numbers in without regrouping method. Okay. So, let's do the first problem. Before going into it, let us write the place values for each number. So, the place values are written. Now, let's add the digits according to their place values. Like, in ones, the digits present are 5 and 3. So, let us add 5 and 3, which gives you 8. In tens, we have 2 and 6. So, 2 plus 6 will give you 8 again. Hundreds. So, in hundreds you have 4 and here again you have a 4. So, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Thousands position. So, in thousands you have 3 and in this number you have 2. So, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. In 10,000s position you have 2 and 1. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now, write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and write accordingly. So, 8, 8, 8, 5, 3. The answer is 35,888. Now, let's go to the second method. So, in the second method, we are going to write the expanded form of the given numbers. So, let us write the place values for the numbers first. Now, let's write the expanded form. So, 3 is in lakhs position. So, 3 lakh plus 2 10,000. So, 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 100, 2 tens, that is 20 plus 8 ones. Here we have 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs plus 5 10,000. So 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 4 tens, 40 plus 0 ones. The place value of 0 is always 0. Now we are going to add the numbers. Okay. So the answer is, so by seeing, you can see all the numbers are 0 except the digits in the highest place value, that is in the lakhs position. So add that alone. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 lakhs. Plus here 2 plus 5 is 7. 70,000 plus 5 plus 2 7 followed by 3 zeros plus 1 plus 6 is 7 followed by 2 zeros plus 60 plus 8. Now the expanded form is written. Write them in the standard form. To write that, first write the place values. Now you can fill the answers. So 5 in lakhs position, 7 in 10,000s position, 7 in thousands position, again a 7 in hundreds, 6 in tens, 8 in ones. So the answer is 5,77,768. To add the numbers by the method of regrouping, let us write the numbers in columns first. Yes, so we have written the place values and have written the 5-digit number below. Now let us add the numbers digit wise according to their place value. So let us first see the digits in the ones place value. So 1 plus 7 will give you 8. In tens, 6 plus 0 is 6. Anything when added to 0 will give the same answer. Hundreds, 3 plus 2 is 5. Thousands, 5 plus 4 is 9. 10,000s, 3 plus 4 is 7. In the same way, let us write the numbers in columns for this problem also. So the numbers are written in columns. So while writing, write the numbers according to their place values and leave enough space so that you don't get confused while adding. Okay. Now 7 plus 3 is in one's place value. So let us add them. So you'll get 10. So out of 10, this 0 will comes to the ones place and 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Now in tens, 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9 plus 1 will give you 10. So again 0 will come to the tens place and 1 will be carried to the hundreds place. Now 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0 in hundreds place and 1 will be carried to the next higher place value, that is thousands place. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So 1 goes to the next place. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 76,000. Exercise 2.1. Add the following. First sum. So now we will go on to the ones position. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Tens position. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 and 1 goes to the carryover of hundreds position. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. Plus 1 will give you 11. So 1 here and 1 to the thousands position as carryover. 0 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer is 98,124. Here in ones position, 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 8 in hundredths position and 1 goes to the thousands position. 8 plus 0, 8. Plus 4, 12. Plus 1, 13. 1 to the carryover. 4 plus 0, 4. Plus 1, 5. And lakhs position, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now, in ones position, third sum, 0 plus 4, 4. Plus 2, 6. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. So 6 here and 2 will go to the hundreds position. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Thousands position, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 here and 1 goes to the 10,000s place. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Plus 1, 19. 1 goes to the lakhs position. 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9,91,866. Word problems. An LED TV set costs rupees 92,425 and a digital camera costs rupees 78,946. Find the total cost of both the items. See the keyword total. It means addition. Okay, if you see the word total, sum, all, then it is all addition. Okay, so let's write the statement now. The cost of the LED TV is 92,425. The cost of the digital camera is 78,946. So since the word total is present, we are going to add them. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 to the carryover of tens. 2 plus 4, 6. Plus 1, 7. 4 plus 9, 13. 1 to the carryover of thousands. 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 1, 11. 1 to 10,000s position. 9 plus 7, 16. Plus 1, 17. So, the total cost of both the items is 1,71,371. Since it is the cost, we have to represent the rupee symbol also. Second sum. In a coaching center, 11,230 students enrolled in the first year. 21,220 in the second year and 31,012 in the third year. Find the total number of students who have enrolled at the coaching center in 3 years. So total means addition. We now know the number of students who have come in first year, second year and the third year. So we have to add all these 3 numbers. So let's write the statement. So the number of students enrolled in the first year is 11,230. In the second year, it is 21,220. And in the third year, it is 31,012. So let's add the numbers in the ones position. 0 plus 0 is 0. Plus 2 will give you 2. Now, tens 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Hundreds 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 0 is again 4. Thousands 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. 10,000s 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. So totally 63,462 students have enrolled at the coaching center in 3 years.
That's it, children. Let's sign off today's video with a math activity.